English shadowing practice. Full lesson. Do you understand English but find it difficult to speak? Do you sometimes feel nervous, shy, or uncomfortable when you try to use English? Maybe you don't know where to start, so you never even try to speak. My dear learners, please don't worry. Many students feel the same way. But here's the truth. If you want to speak better English, you must actually speak. The question is, how? That is where shadowing can help you. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a special technique for language learning. Just like a shadow follows a person, in this practice, your voice follows the speaker's voice. It's almost like being an echo. The speaker talks, and you immediately repeat, copying their pronunciation, their rhythm, and their melody. You don't stop. You don't translate. You just flow with the words. Example. If the speaker says, "How are you doing today?" you immediately echo, "How are you doing today?" Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Keep going. Just like a shadow never stops following, you also never stop. Why is this technique so effective? Because shadowing trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together. It helps you. 1. Improve your pronunciation. 2. Learn natural intonation. 3. Build smooth fluency. 4. And develop stronger listening skills. Now, let's try it together. Please shadow me. Be my echo. I am learning English step by step. Very good. Let's do another one. Every day I practice, my English becomes stronger. Excellent. One last time. Shadowing makes me sound more natural in English. Wonderful. Dear learners, remember, shadowing is not about perfection, it's about practice. Even 5 minutes a day can help you feel more confident, more fluent, and more natural when speaking English. So be patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. I believe in you, and I am truly proud of your effort today.